Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a text marquee effect to your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. Now for this, we're going to be editing the liquid code of your Shopify website, or rather we're going to be adding a new liquid file, which is then going to add the marquee effect. Now I won't be showing you how to code it, and I won't be showing you which code to use. You're going to have to find the code for yourself online. There are many variations and you can find whichever one fits you best. But to start editing the code, you need to go into Online Store, and that'll take you directly to Themes. Once you're here, next to the theme you're either using or that you want to edit, click these three dots over here and click Edit Code. Once you're here, you can then go ahead and go into Sections, and then you're going to click Add a New Section. You're going to select the liquid, you're going to have to name the file, and just name it text-marquee, and the .liquid extension will be there by itself. Just click Done, and it's going to generate a new section just like this. And here you can add the code that you find for the text marquee. Once you add it here and click Save, I'll just add some changes, for example, like this. Once you make your changes, just click Save, and that's going to add the text marquee effect. Again, this is not the code for it. You're going to need to find that code online, but this is the principle behind it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.